Best herbs to grow in small pots. If you have very little space, don't worry, you can still enjoy the pleasure of growing fresh herbs right in your kitchen, balcony, or windowsill. Herbs are among the easiest plants to grow in small pots, and they reward you with both fragrance and flavor. Basil is a great choice, as it grows quickly and adds freshness to many dishes. Mint is another favorite, spreading easily and offering a cool aroma that lifts the spirit. Coriander, parsley, and dill can all thrive in containers with good sunlight and a little care. For those who enjoy teas, lemon balm and chamomile bring both health benefits and a calming fragrance. Rosemary and thyme are excellent for small pots as well, staying compact while providing strong flavors. The beauty of growing herbs in pots is that you don't need a big garden, just a little container, some healthy soil, and regular watering. You can harvest them fresh whenever you cook, making every meal more flavorful. Herbs in pots also add greenery to small spaces, turning even a simple kitchen shelf into a tiny garden. Growing herbs is not just practical, it's deeply satisfying, connecting you to nature in the simplest way possible.